Youth Association of Pakistan is a non-profit and registered organization of Pakistan. Founded by Abdul Qadir, Chairman Youth Association of Pakistan. Youth Association of Pakistan seeks to educate the youth with core values that will lead the nation in right direction. Youth has the power of personal growth and achieve their desired goals and objectives by replacing the negative factors with intelligence, transparency, and understanding. Youth Association of Pakistan is working with an aim to empower the youth, nurture their innate talents, and develop their aptitude. Youth Association of Pakistan has designed a broad spectrum of activities, projects, and campaigns. Along with the youth development, the core working areas include philanthropic activities, research and development, free education for street kids, free medical camps, anti-drug campaign, short courses on CPAC, social media summits, Kashmir advocacy, different workshops, forums, and conferences, and a lot more. The vision of YAP is to equip the youth of Pakistan with such intellect, aptitude, and values which will empower them to channelize their collective energies in leading Pakistan towards peace and prosperity.
सभी के वतन है सदा